In this video, we will learn double zigzag inlet wave counting example with gold 15-minute chart, recent example, same to same like book, WXY wave with subwave AVC in double zigzag pattern. So we will use side by side book and market. So beginner can learn better and we can go from beginner to advanced level. First of all, let's see AVC, W counter trend correction X, then again AVC. Still, book is not giving more information, just visual language. Best thing, we have bearish example and market did bearish activity. So easy to understand. So market start falling from this top near 2950. Market goes down. That was first bearish wave and this previous support breakdown. And we will rename it as larger degree A, then counter trend correction, larger degree wave V, which was exactly 61% for wave A. Then majority of selling start. Because when C wave after A and B, when it start, when price break down this support, this low of wave A, then everyone become confirmed that there must be selling pressure and market start shifting from buy to sell side. So these are our larger degree AVC wave. Wave A, first impulsive wave, first sign of downtrend, correction wave V, exactly 61%. Then wave C, projection target, price try to make support on 100%, immediately that also breaks down. Then ultimately price stop near 38% projection. That's mean wave C in length that was 138% of wave A. That's mean more than length of wave A. So when the support of wave A break down, then we will know in advance the first possible support can be 100% projection, then 38. So from this low to this correction, this new high to this bottom 2830, we will focus on this wave, the sub wave of C of larger degree wave. That is our double zigzag wave pattern. The same to same like book WXY. So market start falling from 2930 and goes up to 2832. From this high to this low, we will start next level wave counting. And for few seconds, focus only on this trend, top to bottom. Price make AVC wave, make triangle chart pattern and breaks down, go up to low of wave A. Then make correction, we call wave V, without breakout or even retest of 2930. Our original wave, price break down and makes new low. So two level, a support breaks down. Immediately we reach to wave C. So one set of AVC zigzag wave C complete and we rename it to higher degree wave W. So according to book, AVC become W, our counter trend correction X start, next impulsive wave Y go down, but based on history of wave W, we expect same subwave structure in wave Y. So wave W, counter trend correction X, instead of retracement like larger degree wave V, or subwave V. This time wave X made triangle chart pattern correction. But again, for triangle, we wait for final wave E. That means third retest of upper trend line. Then we expect more downside. And when lower trend line breaks down, then we confirm the triangle pattern complete and we are in next impulsive wave Y. So ABC become into W, triangle become into wave X. After breakdown of lower trend line, we expect wave Y. But again, based on history, W was subdivided into ABC zigzag, X was subdivided into ABCDE triangle, then wave Y must make subwave. According to book, we have two choice, ABC zigzag or 135 impulsive wave, not triangle. So when market start falling, it goes down first, subwave A of larger degree wave Y, then again it make triangle chart pattern correction. When triangle pattern complete, wave V correction complete, breaks down, that means we are in wave C. So based on numbering, ABC turns into W, triangle turns into corrective wave X, final wave Y with subwave AVC. Visually we have wave counting and next impulsive wave to downside. But question is, how you will know that subwave C of wave Y will end there and how you can get perfect bottom? Because to buy or sell you need number. So first of all, larger degree ABC, wave A and V complete. Then based on projection, expected target for wave C. Once 100% projection breakdown, we target 38% and number come 2836. That is your larger degree wave C target. Then we go to subwave WXY. AVC turn into W, use wave extension for entire wave W and corrective wave X. Then projection target for wave Y. That's come near 2832. That is wave Y projection target. Since AVC final wave turn into WXY wave, same like that, final wave Y turn into ABC. We again use wave projection. Then a small degree wave C, the projection target, where we are focusing only on wave Y. The AVC part, based on wave A and V, wave C projection come 2834. So based on Elliott wave theory extension tool, visually we know we have WXY AVC wave, but projection tool give us number and you can see number are 32, 34 and 36. From 32 to 36, less than $10 difference, and that is enough for intraday trader. So let's repeat projection target once again. Larger degree wave A, B and C, 38% target 2836. Wave WXY projection target 100% 2832. Then subwave Y, the wave A, wave V. Based on that, wave C target 100% 2834. Original wave highest degree C, that is giving 38% projection, but this WXY wave double zigzag pattern that is following big symmetry. If you see wave W and wave Y, they are 100% equal in length. The wave X correction, that was triangle. Wave V correction, that is also triangle. So more clarity, if you see as a beginner, we first have big size AVC wave, where wave C subdivide into WXY wave, and wave Y again subdivided into small degree AVC. So we have three level: highest, then sub wave on three level, with visual language AVC, with projection target, expected bottom, expected low come from lowest 2832 to highest 2836. Because for few seconds technically, in a downtrend, when you have 5 impulsive wave, upside correction goes up to 4th wave. In AVC corrective wave pattern, upside correction goes up to wave V. When you zoom out this chart, you can see big size AVC wave, entire trend reversed, and market goes back up to wave V high. And this level tested 1, 2, total 3 times last week. 29.30, 3 test and failure. Right on this top, near 29.50. How you will know before turn is coming, and what type of possible wave counting is possible? Look at this weekly chart. Before that vertical shallow, first big red candlestick that melt down AVC double zigzag wave counting pattern. That was first time since August 2020 each week gold was going up, until one day everything changed. And there was big market expectation, there will be a week, one day there will be big intraday reversal, profit taking. And finally that week happened. So expectations were very high coming from weekly time frame. Almost 5 years later, something very overbought happening. And there was parallel channel, possible turn from upper part of channel. So that was a weekly time frame confirmation. Second confirmation was coming from H4 time frame. If you skip entire wave counting top to bottom, everything, Fed December FOMC meeting, Trump entry, Trump trade war, everything. But if you focus only on ending down in the end, visual pattern, then according to Wook we know that ending down come in the end when entire trade over and big soft reversal. Because weekly time frame everyone was waiting for soft reversal, weekly was highly overbought and looking trap for new buying entry, but H4 give you ending diagonal pattern. Let's compare again book and market side by side, wave by wave. Wave A looks like 5 impulsive wave. They are giving only arrow, not numbering. Not fixed rule, it can be AVC zigzag or 5 wave, market choice. What visually one AVC set, counter trend correction, then again one AVC set. That is main thing. Zigzag, AVC wave turn into wave W. Then correction X, book giving us zigzag AVC example, market give us ABCD triangle example. Correction X end, net impulsive wave Y start. Books have AVC, we also have AVC. Wave V correction is zigzag, but again we have triangle. Wave A looks 5 because that is 15-minute time frame. If you go smaller like 1 minute, then wave A can be 5 impulsive wave. Book zigzag, market triangle. Again next impulsive wave C, like book 5 impulsive wave. If you go to smaller degree, like 1 minute time frame, possible we may get 5 wave in wave C. But majority of structure is same like book. AVC turn into W, correction X, then wave Y turn into AVC. Here wave X and subwave V of Y, they have zigzag correction, but difference is market both are doing triangle pattern correction. An extra thing, they did not use retracement level. Since that was zigzag, we don't need retracement because triangle retrace very small, and they are also not using extension tool. What we use extension tool for wave Y, 100% projection hit, position target for wave C, 100% projection hit, symmetry in correction pattern, symmetry in wavelength.